Hello everyone and welcome back to LFSL, Little Science Segments of Life, and Happy New Year to all our viewers. So today we're going to a special place in our holidays. So I'm going to show you the road and I'm going to take you on the journey with us. And since our whole family is going, we have our car over here in which me, my sister and my mom and my dad are going. My dad has gone out for work, so we're stopped here. So, and my grandparents and my uncle are in another car behind us. I could show you in the middle maybe.
You can go out actually.
Yeah, that white car.
Go out.
Okay, yeah, let's go out actually. Okay. So that's their car over there and that's my uncle heading out. This white Maruti Suzuki here. So that's the one. And back to me now.
Where are you going?
So we're going to Mangalajodi, Chilika. And
what is that you're gonna see there?
I'm going to show you a lot of birds, and so we're basically going to a bird sanctuary kind of. We're going to stay there for 2 days and I'm going to make you experience the whole 2 days with us and the entire journey, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so we've reached, and the place's name is Godwit Eco Cottage, and this is how the rooms look. This is how the place looks. So, this is one of the, like, what do you say? It's like somewhat reception, you can say, and these are the rooms right here behind me. Let me show you some of the rooms. So this is how the path is, and then you come here and this is our room. This is how it looks over here. That's the mirror and that's the washroom right over there next to it. So that's our room. That's all inside. I'll see you in a bit. So guys, I'm gonna now take you to boat. Like we finished lunch and now we're going to go on a boating trip to capture some photos of birds, and I'm going to show you everything on the way. And I'm also going to take you with me on the boat and show you all the birds, so get ready for that. So now we're on the road and it's barely, how far is it?
2 kilometers, 2 or 3 kilometers.
2 or 3 kilometers, which is actually pretty close, right? Yeah. So
2.1 kilometers, 4 minutes. This way.
Okay. So this is the boating lake, or where the boats are kept. Over here,
Yeah, we have boats.
with a lot of boats. And this,
Not far. Not here.
yeah, it's a little far. So guys, we've reached and this is the bird watching sanctuary, and here are all the types of birds you'll get to see. They have 3 boards and this is the entrance. So I'm going to take you all there in a bit. So guys, my dad is entering the boat now. We're on the boat and the entire boat is creaking when he's climbing on it. My uncle is coming right now. Okay, we're starting to go now. My mom is going to go on that boat.
Okay, so we have been here for some time now. Okay, so we have been here for some time now and we are enjoying the lake. So what you're seeing is not the real Chilika Lake, it's an extended part of the Chilika Lake. The point of which is you have a lot of grass and the grass becomes a breeding ground for all the migratory birds, right? That's why I think here the water is like 1 or 2 feet deep, not more than that, right? But you see a lot of birds, a lot of action, and what they're saying is most of the action happens in the morning when the birds are actually out there for feeding, right? So that's what. But if you want to see, the sunset is like beautiful. I'll put a clip there. The sunset is beautiful, fantastic. So enjoy.
So guys, we just returned from our boat trip. I hope you enjoyed that. Now just to end the day, we have to get back to our eco cottage and just finish dinner, which I'll show you in a bit. And then we'll be done for Chilika day 1. So now we're here for dinner, and on the vegetarian side we have we have dal and mushroom and beans and potato fry. And what is that over there?
Mushroom and dal.
Mushroom and dal. Okay, so that's all in veg. So now our full meal, our non-veg meal has also arrived. We have 2 plates of chicken curry and roti over here. So that's all for dinner.